Struggling to come up with high ticket products people will actually buy? Most beginners get stuck guessing instead of selling. Finding products that justify a high price can feel impossible, but AI makes brainstorming fast and easy. This is the prompt I use. You can copy it straight from the screen if you like. Almost instantly, AI generates multiple high ticket product ideas tailored to your niche, complete with short descriptions explaining why people would buy them. You can use this list to evaluate potential products without wasting hours guessing. But ideas alone won't make you money. You need a system to validate them, organize them, and start selling. That's what the AI Business Builder Challenge teaches. Over 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it walks you step by step through selecting profitable products, creating a plan, and launching with AI shortcuts. No complicated funnels or tech headaches. I've linked the challenge in the description so you can check it out. Along with the episodes, you also get bonuses like the silent marketer strategy, showing how to reach millions of viewers without showing your face. Stop guessing which high ticket products will sell. Let AI give you the ideas, then use the AI Business Builder Challenge to turn them into a profitable business. Less than $20 gets you started, and the link is waiting for you in the description.